Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR Learner channel. Today topic is so many YouTubers also make this topic videos. So popular topic, the Claude AI introduction. What are the Claude? The developing Anthropic as a company founder from OpenAI Research. Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel VGR Learner channel. The assistant every this talk about the have you heard about Claude AI? It is one of the most advanced AI assistant available in today. It become a strong competitor of the ChatGPT and Google AI. In this video, I will explain what is the Claude AI, is the key features and how to can use it all in just a minutes. So let us go to the start video. The first one is the Claude is the artificial intelligence association of the developer by the Anthropic and company founder from OpenAI research members. It is designed by help users write on the content, answers questions, summarize documentation, and generate the ideas right to the code analyzing and data solving complex problems. This cloud is built with a strong focus being helpful architecture and safe understanding and natural language and make a conversion of the field smooth human-like. The second option is the most everybody should know the key features of this cloud. Yeah. Has some of Claude AI's standout features. It can understand the generating high quality text. It summarizes long documents in seconds. It helps students to learn concept and complete assessment. It is assistant program of the writing, debugging and coding also. It is supported brainstorming, email writing. It is repeated in the business communications. It is also reported by the business and communication. It can analyze a large amount of information and provide clear insight. It is maintain content during the long conversions, make it interactive the effectiveness. The how access in cloud. The using Claude AI is the simplified. Visit the official Claude website, create an account and start chatting with the AI. You can ask questions, upload documentation, record, summarize, generate, create content, or seek help with the YouTube creators also, content creator also, coding and research work. The cloud also offers different versions with various capabilities, including free and paid versions available. The more advanced version is the paid version. The free version is some features are not there. The main conclusion of this video, the Claude is a powerful AI assistant to help save them, improving the productivity, to simplify everyday tasks as AI technologies continues and all. Tools like a Claude are become a valuable company for learning work create. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe also our channel VGR Learn the tutorial and technology updates. Thanking you watching this video. I will see you the next video. Thank you.